Hare Krishna, most welcome, very warm welcome, mitron, very warm welcome, devotees, Prabhuji. So, today we would do Srimad Bhagavatam, 6th canto, 1st chapter, 64th number, verse. 6वां अध्याय और 6वां स्कंद, पहला अध्याय, 64वां श्लोक. So let's do without any delay. Let's do a short Mangalacharan mantra or Mangalacharan prayer before I start about this lecture of Srimad Bhagavatam. Om Agyantimirandhasya Jnananjanशलाकया चक्षुन्मिलितं तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. श्री चैतन्यो मनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदामयं ददाति शब्दान्तिकं वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवाचार्य श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सगण रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहित कृष्ण चैतन्य देवं श्री राधा कृष्ण पादान सहगण ललिता श्री विशाखान्विताचार्य नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमती भक्ति वेदांत स्वामिनीति नामिनी मस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणी निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद. हे कृष्ण कृपा सिंधु, हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु, दीनबंधु जगतपते कुपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते. तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिय. वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौर भक्तवृंद. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. हरि बोल. So let's start. So in this Srimad Bhagavatam 6th canto 1st chapter 64th number verse says, तामेव तोष्यामास पित्र्येण आर्थेन यावता ग्राम्ये मनोरमे कामे प्रसीदते यथा तथा. So after seeing the woman, they are talking here about Ajamil. So after seeing the woman, he was meditating always 24 hours about the subject, lusty desires. कामे सते सते रित ज्ञाना, कामे सते सते रित ज्ञाना. When one becomes lusty, then one becomes lost of all intelligence. The whole world is going on the basis of these lusty desires. This is material world. And because I am lusty, you are lusty, every one of us. So as soon as my desires are not fulfilled, your desires are not fulfilled, then I become your enemy, you become my enemy. I don't want to see that you are making very good progress. You cannot see me making very good progress. This is material world, envious, lusty desires. Kam, krodh, lobh, moh, matsarya. This is the basis of this material world. So we become, the training was that he was training to be Brahmana, Sama, Dama, but the progress became checked on account of being attached to a woman. Therefore, according to Vedic civilization, the woman is accepted as hindrance to spiritual advancement. The whole basic civilization is how to avoid the woman. You do not think that only woman is woman. The man is also woman. Don't think that the woman is condemned, the man is not. woman means enjoyed, and the man means enjoyer. So this feeling is condemned. If I see one woman for enjoyment, so I am man. And if woman also sees another man for enjoyment, she is also man. Ha. Mane woman means enjoyed and man means enjoyer. So anyone who has got feeling of enjoyment, he is considered to be man. So here both this gender, both this sex, everyone is planning how I shall enjoy. Therefore, he is Purusha artificially. Otherwise, we are all Prakriti, Jiva, either woman or man. This is outward dress, this body. This is outward dress. In the Bhagavad Gita, it is said, अप्रियमी तस्तवन्यम प्रकृति विधि में परमम जीव भूता महाबाहो येदम धार्यते जगत. प्रकृति, we are prakriti. Nature, I mean to say spiritual nature, para prakriti. The material nature is apra prakriti, and we living entities, we are trying to enjoy this prakriti. Therefore, sometimes the living entity, either man or woman, he is described as Purusha. The Purusha means one he keeps the feelings of becoming enjoyer. That is Purusha. So this material world is Prakriti and Purush. It is said in the Srimad Bhagavatam, the instruction of Rishabdev, Punsam Istri Mathuni Bhavam Etam Tayor. The whole basic principle of the civilization is the attachment between man and woman. Punsam Istri Mithuni Bhavam. Mithuni Bhavam is sex, and Tyor Mithu Hirde Granthi Mahu. Tyor Mithu Hirde Granthi Bahu. On account of this sex relationship, this man and woman is bound up. Hirde Granthim. Hirde Granthim. Granthim means knot, and Hirde means heart. So the man is thinking of woman and the woman is thinking of man. Hirde Granthi Mahu. Then we require material progression. Athugra Kshetra Sutapt Vitter Janasya Mohoyam Aham Mameti. This is our material condition of life. So this man, although he was being trained up as a Brahman, his attention was diverted all of a sudden by seeing one Shudrani, Shudra and Shudrani, embracing, kissing, talking, so that become his meditation. Instead of meditating on Vishnu, he began to meditate on that Shudrani. Tamev Toshyamas. In the first verse, Tan Nimiti Smar Vyaj Grah Grasto Vichetan. Became mad Vichetan. Bewildered as is haunted by the ghost. Tamev Mansa Dhyayan. Always meditating, how I shall get that woman, how shall I get that woman, how shall I please that woman, so that she may satisfy my lusty desires. Therefore, Tamev Toshyamas, his only business was how to please her. Now he requires money, but he was not earning money, so Pitren, whatever money he inherited from the father's earning. The son generally inherits the father's property. and he was the only son. He was squandering the father's money in that way, just to please that Shudrani. Tamev toshyavas pitren arthen yavata. As much in that way, just to, as much as possible, if he could get more money, he would have spent that only for that woman. Gramme, Gramme Manorame. This word Gramme is very significant. Gramme means external, material. Gramme Manorame, by the sense gratification, whatever we find very pleasing, that is called Gramme Manorame. Actually, that is not pleasing, that is entangling. But he became entangled. So Gramme Manorme Kame Prasidate. Kame, the basic principle is lust. Prasidate, wanted to satisfy the woman here and there. We can see these examples very often. That next step was Vipram. सभायार में प्रौढ़ाम कुले महती लंबिताम विसर्जा चिरात पापम स्वेट्रेणिया पांग विदग्धि. There are three kinds of women: Kamani, Sverni and Pumshala. Kamani, Sverni and Pumshala. Sverni means free, freedom, nobody is controlled. That is called Sverni. And Kamini means to attract very much. And Pumshala means living with man and woman for some time, then another, and the other. That is exemplified by lightning. You have seen the lightning. Immediately within a second, from this cloud to that cloud, from that cloud to this cloud. So three divisions. Similarly, there are three divisions of man also. So in this way, the material world is very, very entangled. And if we become Krishna conscious, then we become free from this entanglement. All these criticisms, all these divisions are there for Gramme. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has advised, Gramme katha na kahibe, bhala na khaibe, or bhala na paribe. This is Virag. Don't indulge in Gramme Katha. Therefore, we always advise, don't read newspaper. Don't read any other books, because it is full of Gramme Katha. Gramme. So avoid it as far as possible. There is no need. What is the news of Gramme Katha of the newspaper? The same thing repeated, where there is flood, where there is stain, disaster, where there is accident and political, and one politician is giving speech, another politician is giving speech. These are the Gramme things. So we should save ourselves. Gramme Manorme. These externally very attractive news, we should avoid it completely. We should think, we should simply talk of Krishna. That is the success of human life. We should simply talk Krishna Katha, and Krishna Katha means what Krishna has said. That is Krishna Katha, or what is spoken about Krishna. So Bhagavad Gita means Krishna Katha, what Krishna has said, and Srimad Bhagavatam is also Krishna Katha. Because in it everything is said about Krishna, so we should not indulge in Gramme Katha. that will mislead us. And if we do not indulge in Gramya Katha and if we make advancement in Krishna Katha, then we are always situated on transcendental position. We are no more affected by the three modes of material nature. Sagunan samtityan brahmabhuvaya kalpate. Sagunan samtityan brahmabhuvaya kalpate. So we should stick to this principle, then we shall be safe. Otherwise, either I become man or woman, we are all condemned because we are implicated with Gramya Katha. So the temple is specially made for Krishna Katha. Here there is no other business than Krishna. Therefore the temple is always transcendental. Nirgun. If you live in the forest, that is Satgun. If you live in the city, that is Rajogun. And if you live in the brothel or liquor house or gambling house, that is Tamogun. But if you live in the temple, that is Nirgun. Trigun Vishya Veda Nistre Gunyo Bhavarjuna. Trigune Vishyo Veda Nistre Gunyo Bhavarjuna. This is advised by Krishna. The whole world is complicated with the three modes of material nature, and we have to become above this material nature. Nistre Gunya Bhava Arjuna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Jai Jai Shri Radhe Shyam. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.